Coffee, the aroma that kickstarts our mornings, the fuel for our creativity, and a delicious companion for conversation. But have you ever wondered how that perfect cup of Turkish coffee is made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a coffee shop to witness the magic. The art of Turkish coffee starts with the grind. Unlike most coffee, Turkish coffee requires an incredibly fine grind, almost like powder. This allows for a strong and flavorful brew. Next, the coffee grounds are placed in a sezvi, a special pot traditionally made of copper. Cold water is then added, ensuring a slow and even extraction. The sezvi is then heated over low heat. The low heat is key, as it allows the flavors to develop slowly and prevents the coffee from burning. As the coffee heats, a frothy layer will start to form on the surface. This is called kaymak, and is a prized element of Turkish coffee. The barista removes the sezvi from the heat just before it reaches a full boil. This preserves the delicate flavors and prevents the coffee from becoming bitter. The coffee is finally poured into a small cup, traditionally made of porcelain. The kaymak is then gently spooned on top, creating a beautiful presentation. Turkish coffee is traditionally served alongside a glass of water to cleanse the palate between sips and a piece of Turkish delight, a sweet confection that perfectly complements the strong coffee flavor. So there you have it, the art of Turkish coffee making. It's a process steeped in tradition and one that creates a truly unique and flavorful coffee experience. Next time you're at a coffee shop, consider trying a cup of Turkish coffee. It's a delightful journey for your taste buds and a chance to appreciate the artistry behind this ancient beverage. Let us know in the comments what coffee-related topic you'd like us to explore next. For more coffee adventures, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.